Hello and welcome to my channel. Now in this session I want to show you how you can easily withdraw money from your PayPal account into your M PESA account. So here I am on PayPal homepage here, and you see it is PayPal Kenya. You can identify that by this Kenya K, so it means that it is Kenya, the local. Alright, so let me not use the programming terms, I may confuse some of you. But the first thing is to log into the your PayPal account by clicking on this login button here. And then so it will automatically fill in my email. That is how I set it. And then I'll just have to enter the password. Alright. After typing the password, I just click on login. So after authenticating the password and finding out that the password is correct, I enabled two-factor authentication for security. So what happens is that I have to verify the text that is going to be sent to my phone number. Okay, so I just click on continue, and it's going to send me a security code. I've received security code and I'm going to enter it. So after entering the security code, I just click on continue. And that logs me into my PayPal account. So on my PayPal balance, you can see this is the available balance and this is the money on hold. So what happens is I have business PayPal account, and with business PayPal account, we have security set. So when somebody sends you money, PayPal takes it that so that person is paying you for the service or for the good that you have to deliver. So it's going to hold that money until that person approves that you've received, the person received that whatever service or good. So I am paid by my clients. I work as a freelance software developer, so I develop for them software and then they pay me. They can pay me through PayPal and other methods. And when they pay me through PayPal, I'll receive money, and then it will be held for some time, and then it is going to go to the main balance. And when the money is in the main balance, I can transfer it to my bank account. I have my debit card linked to this account, so I can transfer it to the bank account directly, or alternatively I can withdraw it to my M PESA account. But let's focus on how to withdraw to an M PESA account. Alright, from the PayPal website here, you cannot withdraw money to your M PESA account. So we have to use a third-party website that is called, it's just called, if you just type M PESA, okay, PayPal to M PESA, if you just type PayPal to M PESA, you'll find this website here. It's called PayPal Mobile Money, right? So the first thing you have to is to register account. If you don't have account, you click on get started, or you can read on how it works. Yeah. So I have account. I've linked my phone number and my PayPal account, so I can just log in here. And when you click on the login button, it's going to authenticate your login to the PayPal account. Alright, so it brings my account here, and I can click on continue. And you see it has logged me in, right? So after logging me into this website here, I have now two options here: withdraw from PayPal or top to PayPal. So I can send money from my M PESA account to PayPal, or I can withdraw money from my PayPal account to my M PESA account. So I want to withdraw, so I'll just go to withdraw from PayPal. And then after that, it will bring my PayPal balance here, and I have to suggest the amount that I want to withdraw to my M PESA account. So I'll just type there 121 and click on continue. So what happens is that the amount received is going to be this, right? So I'll just click on confirm, and it takes minutes. And there you go, you see done. You have successfully recorded. Okay, your withdrawal request has been successfully recorded, and it will be processed within minutes. And I've also received notification through SMS on my mobile phone. So it's going to take 2 minutes, and that amount is going to be deposited in my M PESA account, and it has already happened. It is not even 2 minutes. Now, if I go to PayPal and refresh, you find that the money has been deducted and has been sent to my mobile phone. That is my M PESA account, and you can see the transaction here, right? So basically, that is how simple it is to transfer money from your PayPal account to your M PESA account. Thank you for watching. So if you like tech informational videos, you can please subscribe to my channel.